Now, the Government of India has allowed caste enumeration as part of the upcoming national census. A caste census marks a potentially huge shift in political policy and takes on what the centre calls politically motivated caste surveys conducted by some state governments. In the past, the union government led by the BJP has been cautious on a caste census. Some saw this holding back as a strategy to avoid upsetting dominant castes within its voter base. Practical and legal challenges have been cited too. Now the BJP gives in to a long-standing opposition demand.
It is well understood that Congress and its Indie alliance partners have used caste census only as a political tool, and to ensure that a social fabric is not disturbed by politics, caste enumeration should be transparently included. I am emphasizing the word transparently included in the census instead of surveys.
The opposition claims victory as he offers help in designing a caste census template, even as he questions government motives and calls for an implementation timeline.
हम इसको सपोर्ट करते हैं, पूरी तरह सपोर्ट करते हैं, मगर हम टाइमलाइन चाहते हैं, हम जानना चाहते हैं ये कब तक होगा.
A caste census will essentially identify and count the number of people belonging to different caste groups. It goes beyond general population data by specifically noting caste affiliations. There has been no caste census in independent India. The last one happened in 1931. Arguments in favor of a caste census by political parties range from claims of better policy development for targeting of welfare schemes to social justice enabling fair distribution of resources and representation. On the other side, critics have pointed at the risk of politicizing caste identities further and fears of deepening caste identities and discrimination. The caste census issue has long caused friction between several states and the centre. Karnataka held what it called a social and educational survey in 2015. It aimed to collect data on caste, income, education, housing and employment. And the issue has taken fresh momentum in recent months. The data was never officially released by subsequent parties due to its political sensitivity. The Congress government in Karnataka, however, continues to express its intent to release the data. It remains a hot-button issue and a powerful tool in social justice politics in the state. States like Bihar and Tamil Nadu have aggressively pushed for caste census. It is central to the OBC and social justice agenda of the RJD and JDU. The Bihar Caste Survey 2023 showed that OBCs and EBCs make up over 60% of the state's population, fueling demands for increased quotas. The political implications of having a caste census run deep, calls for redistribution of power and resources could lead to a demand for increased OBC reservations. This may even clash with the 50% reservation ceiling set by the Supreme Court, and electorally and political landscape in states with large OBC populations may change in a big way as well. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.